My name is Tom Ferguson, and I'm out here in Culleoka, Tennessee on a beautiful Saturday afternoon, looking over some of my hobbies, which is making pocket knives. And I want to kind of show you how I do it and what I do, the process. This is right here in front of my video is my grinder that I use a lot, and I use other tools, but that's my main purpose for making these pocket knives. It does a real good job of helping me get the wood where I need to have it to get the pocket knives looking good. This right here is the pocket knife. It's got the handles, got the handles, the bolsters which go on the end. That's the process to get the handles glued together. But in order to get them glued together, you have to glue them, the handles and the bolsters, to a walnut. And that's what the finished product looks like. Get ready for dry, ready to make a knife. Once they're dry, we take the clamps off, and they look like this right here. They look like this. And this bird here, he just sits out here on the table with me to keep the cats off the table. He don't bother nobody too much. But I have some finished pocket knives right here. But before I show you them, I want to show you my back springs and the blade process. This is a hickory piece that I use for the blades. When we cut the blades out, they look When we cut the blades out, they look like this. This is the hickory that we use for the back springs. When we cut the back springs out, they look something like this. When everything is finished out, we mark out the knife we want, and we come up with different various types of knives. And these wooden pocket knives snap. They snap just like a real pocket knife. Matter of fact, they are real pocket knives. They're just wood. Here's a 2-blade that has cedar bolsters and walnut blades. Has a walnut inlay, hickory blades, and hickory back springs. And it snaps just like a real pocket knife. Thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna let my wife video the table for you, and I'm gonna get out of the way and let her video it. And thank you for watching my video, and have a great day. Being a U.S. Army veteran, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our veterans for what they do for our country, what they've done in the past, and what they will continue to do to keep America great. Have a good day.